We all know that despite never asking for it, our email inbox is the most targeted place for spam and intrusive advertisements. But starting today, we're going to change that, and moving forward, we're going to get paid for each email that we open. Just picture connecting to your inbox. You click on an email and then redeem a payment. You can constantly make money if you perform the same actions. That's how easy this procedure will be. And I'll walk you through it one step at a time. This may be one of the simplest ways for a complete novice to start earning money. Trust me. In this video, I'll give you a brief step-by-step guide plus an additional secret on how to open an email to repeatedly earn money online for nothing at all. You don't need any expertise at all to do this. The platform I will show you is accessible to everyone from any part of the globe and is simple and free. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips to make money online. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to be the first to know about new strategies whenever we drop future money-making videos. Also, do not forget to smash that like button and comment in the section below if you have any questions. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we start, take a look at all of these actual payments from across the globe. As you can see, folks are making lots of money and receiving their payments practically immediately by simply clicking on emails to access this website. Opening an email. In order to receive emails in our inboxes from which we can click on emails and earn money online, we must first have a personal email account. I think most of you already have an email address, whether you use Yahoo Mail, Gmail, or others. You can be perfectly free to use your current email address, but I would suggest you open a new Gmail account for this course instead. For those still unaware of how to do that, visit google.com, type in Gmail, and then click on the first result that appears, which is gmail.com. From there, you'll navigate to this page where we can create a free account. I want you to create a Gmail account so you can get more emails and earn more money than you would with a different service provider. After that, download the Gmail app from the Google Play Store or the App Store for a better interface. And bam, you have an account. The platform. Now that we've moved on from that, I want you to visit clicksgenie.com. This is the website that we'll be using to earn money. As you can see, there are close to 16,000 members on this site, many of whom are active right now, and they have already paid out close to $10,000 to all of the members. This is where you can get paid to read emails. ClickGenie is very simple to use, even for newbies, and they're very safe and credible because they'll show you how much money you're making as you make it. You can see here the payment proof of all the users around the world right now. Additionally, you can effortlessly demand a free cash out and receive your money directly into your preferred account with a minimum payout withdrawal of 1 cent once you reach that threshold. So this is the point in the video where I need you to stick with me closely. So if you want to create a free account, when you click on this register button, you'll be taken to this page where you just need to enter your username, email address, password, and password confirmation. Leave the referral field empty. It's not compulsory. For your country, it will be automatically discovered. Just simply check these boxes over here and press the register button, and seen over there, boom. I have successfully logged into my account. You can see my earnings displayed over here. When you do yours, this is where you come to see your balance displayed too, as you do the work. Leaderboard. Now proceed to click on the leaderboard. When you select statistics, you will see that people from all around the world are on this platform and are successful. As you can see, there are people from the United States, Pakistan, India, and numerous other nations. Every passing day, thousands upon thousands of members send you invitations to click on emails and earn money online. I need you to pay close attention to this because we are now at the juicy part. I want you to proceed to your inbox to check for an email with a link for title activation straight away. You see that it has been delivered to you by ClickGenie. And you've seen you must click on this link in order to complete the registration procedure and confirm your account. All that is left for you to do is sign into your account. You will soon receive another welcome email from ClickGenie, which is another crucial piece of advice I wanted to tell you. The next step we need you to take in order to receive your emails now that you have successfully registered and are ready to earn is this. In order to receive emails and make money, they want you to add this email to your contact list. Another piece of advice I'd like to give you is to avoid making this mistake. As you can see, if you don't click on any of the ads and don't check in to your account at least once every 15 days, your account will be canceled and you will forfeit all of your earnings. You can therefore earn money online by simply logging in daily or at least twice a week, clicking on the emails and reading them. That is what's currently in my email inbox. You'll frequently get emails from ClickGenie, and all you have to do is open them, click on the link you can see below. As you can see right now, if you simply click on that link, it will direct you to a random web page. Another crucial piece of advice is that all you need to do is remain here for at least half a minute for the money to be immediately paid to your account. When you visit this website, they anticipate you'll buy stuff or click on some Google advertisements, and Click Genie will receive a fee. This is why they offer you money to check messages and click on emails. They compensate you in this fashion, and you can continue to do so over and over again. In order to increase your chances of receiving more emails and increasing your earnings, I would advise you to open as many Gmail accounts as you can. This is how you can make up to $40 by checking your emails. I hope this video was helpful to you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on important upcoming videos.